After this video, you will be able to correctly install the ADMA in the vehicle. The ADMA can be installed anywhere in the vehicle. The arrow should be facing towards the driving direction. Otherwise, there have to be done some important modifications in the web interface. The ADMA has to be installed on a rigid system. Ensure that a rotational or linear motion of the system is avoided while the vehicle is moving. For installing the ADMA, there are several mounting accessories available. One of them is a mounting blade with a quick installation mounting pole. The pole simply has to be stretched out to fasten the mounting blade. The second option is the RT strut with an ADMA mounting adapter. The third option is the seat rail adapter with an ADMA mounting blade. The last opportunity is to use the on-seat adapter. It combines the ADMA and the data acquisition system above the seat and is fastened at the seat belt. The GeneSys antenna must be mounted on the roof and should stay away from any object that may shadow the satellite signal. Please take care. Safe and secure installation of the components is essential to receive reliable data. Thanks for watching. For further information, please visit our website or get in touch with us.